Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Addi King Size is probably one of the most exciting tools for knitters looking to expand their crafting capabilities. This machine is designed to make large-scale knitting projects a breeze, allowing you to create everything from cozy blankets to stylish sweaters with remarkable speed and ease. Whether you're a seasoned knitter or just starting out, the Addi King Size offers a fantastic way to explore the world of oversized knitting. Number 5. Addi I Want IT All Mega Pro Knitting Set. This amazing set includes 2 Addi knitting machines. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced knitters. You will be able to create a variety of projects. The set features 2 famous Addi knitting machines, one with 46 needles and the Express Pro with 22 needles. These machines are brand new with an improved counter. The set comes with replacement needles and a stopper. It also includes 3 pattern books to inspire your next project. This set has everything you need to get started. The pattern books offer a variety of techniques and projects. They will guide you through winding, express knitting, and turbo knitting. The books will help you master the machines. The AddiExpress hook is especially useful. It is perfect for complex knitting and crocheting techniques. It makes the process easier and more enjoyable. Get the Mega Pro set today and start creating. It's a super saver set that provides everything you need. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. What we like. This Mega Pro set gives you 2 knitting machines, doubling your creative potential. It comes with multiple pattern books, so you can start creating right away. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit to explore various knitting techniques and projects, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The stitches are even and uniform and neat. Very well made. Quiet. The handle spins easily with very little effort. Sturdy design and construction. Number 4. Addi Knitting Mill Book, 31 Designs. This book is packed with 31 fantastic designs. It's perfect for the whole family, offering a variety of patterns to explore. Inside, you'll find patterns for hats, cardigans, and scarves. There are also home decor items to create. Each design is accompanied by beautiful photography. The detailed instructions make it easy to follow along. Knitting with the Express knitting mill becomes even more fun. It makes the process easier and more enjoyable. This is the Addi King Size English book for the Express knitting mill. It's a complete guide to get you started. What we like. This book is packed with 31 wonderful designs for the whole family. It includes patterns for hats, cardigans, scarves, and home decor items. If you like having a wide variety of project ideas and clear guidance, this book will inspire your next knitting adventure. What people say. Love the Addi 46 needles, so pleased with it I have now sent for the little Addi with 22 needles. A variety of patterns to try with easy to understand instructions. Rispetto ad altri prodotti che si trovano sul mercato, che si troviamo davanti ad un prodotto che, per non potendo sostituire una macchina di maglieria professional, ti permette di iniziare a fare dei lavori interessanti riducendo il tempo in maniera drastica. Buona la fattura, robusto quanto basta. Number 3. AddiExpress King Size Knitting Machine, 46 Needles. Tired of spending hours on traditional knitting? This AddiExpress machine lets you create beautiful patterns with ease. It's perfect for making everything from sweaters to beanies. The hand crank makes this knitting machine incredibly easy to use. It stays securely in place while you work, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced knitters. This machine is perfect for a variety of projects. You can make scarves, hats, blankets, and more. It offers both circular and plain knitting modes, giving you lots of creative freedom. The kit includes everything you need to get started. You'll receive the knitting machine, threading tools, clamps, replacement needles, and an instruction manual. This machine has 46 needles and works with various yarn types. It can create circular knits up to 13.8 inches in diameter and flat panels up to 17.7 inches wide. What we like. This machine allows you to produce intricate patterns and designs effortlessly. It features a hand crank for fast and simple operation. If you are looking for a knitting machine that is easy to use and can create a wide range of items, this one is for you. What people say. The speed and functionality is great. The machines are easy to use, and there are lots of YouTube videos that help me to get to know my machines. It works very well, doesn't skip any stitches, counts your rows for you, and is quick and easy to use. Number 2. AddiExpress King Size Knitting Machine Kit. This is the AddiExpress King Size Knitting Machine Kit. It comes with 46 needles and a manual counter. It's perfect for anyone looking to get into knitting. The kit includes a knitting machine, pattern book, express hook, replacement needles, and a stopper. Everything you need to get started is in the box. This machine is suitable for yarn count 4 to 8. It can create circular knits from approximately 10 to 15 inches in diameter, and flat knits up to 18 inches wide. The kit features the new AddiExpress Kingsize pattern book. The new AddiExpress hook is especially well suited for working with the AddiExpress machines. Please note that international products may have different terms and may differ from local products. This includes fit, age ratings, and language of product labeling or instructions. This quality product is made in Germany. You can be assured of its quality and durability. What we like. This extended kit includes a pattern book to get you started. It is made in Germany, ensuring quality and durability. If you're looking for a reliable and comprehensive kit with a focus on quality, you should consider this one. What people say. The machine is very well made and durable. The needles don't slip and catch various types of yarn. I have made many hats as well as ear warmers so far and it's still awesome. Number 1. AddiExpress Kingsize Extended Starter Kit. This is the brand new improved version. It comes with a new mechanical row counter. This awesome starter kit has everything you need to get started. The kit includes the knitting machine, replacement needles, a threading tool, stoppers, feet, and clampers. It even comes with yarn for your first project. You'll be creating beautiful pieces in no time. The kit includes enough yarn for a trendy summer loop scarf. Detailed instructions are provided in the included pattern books. It's a great way to learn and create something stylish. The pattern books teach you how to wind instead of traditional knitting. This makes it easier and faster to create beautiful projects. It's a fun and efficient way to knit. This product is made in Germany, ensuring high quality and craftsmanship. You can be confident in the durability and performance of this knitting machine. It's built to last. What we like. This is the brand new improved version with a new mechanical row counter. It comes with enough yarn for your first project, a trendy summer loop scarf. If you are a beginner looking for an all-in-one kit to start knitting immediately, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The machine is just beautiful. Crank easily. There is 3 black hooks. Unlike the 1 black hook on the Michaels knitting machine, the Addi looks delicate still. You can't go crazy with it. The circular knitting works great from the beginning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.